Hi everyone, Lexa here. Thanks for joining us at the CPCC YouTube channel. Today I have a quick and easy DIY that you can do for your preschooler to create their very own magnetic puzzle. So all you'll need to create this DIY is an old cookie sheet, a permanent marker, an expo marker, and some magnets. Today I have some alphabet magnets so that we can teach letter recognition as well as work on those fine motor skills, picking up and placing the magnets. So in order to do this, what you'll have to do is just take your cookie sheet and place the magnets on in the order that you like. Obviously, I'm going to put this in our alphabet order here. And then what you do is you grab your expo marker and trace around every single letter. And once you do that, you'll have something that looks like this. Then your child can take the magnets and place them onto the sheet in the appropriate spot, like that. Ooh, a little bit off. There we are. If you try this, please let us know. We'd love to see what kind of magnetic puzzles you create.